In this video, we will discuss how to choose the right chiropractor for your individual needs. When choosing a chiropractor, it is important to consider their qualifications and certifications. Look for someone who has completed an accredited chiropractic program and is licensed to practice in your state. Additionally, certifications such as the Certified Chiropractic Extremity Practitioner, CCEP, or Certified Chiropractic Sports Physician, CCSP, can demonstrate additional expertise in specialized areas. Different chiropractors may have different techniques and approaches to treatment. Research the different techniques offered and determine which one may be best for your individual needs. Some common techniques include spinal adjustments, soft tissue therapy, and electrical stimulation. Reading patient reviews and asking for referrals from friends and family can be a valuable tool in choosing the right chiropractor. Look for someone who has consistently positive feedback from their patients and a high success rate in treating similar conditions to your own. It is important to consider if the chiropractor accepts your insurance and if the cost of treatment fits within your budget. Call their office or check their website to see which insurances they accept and ask for an estimate of the cost of treatment up front. This can prevent any unexpected financial strain down the line. By considering their qualifications and certifications, techniques offered, patient reviews and referrals, and insurance coverage and cost, you can find the right chiropractor for your individual needs.